Hi everybody, it's Julie, and we're going to work on pages again. And so I have pages here that we have put together, the ones that we didn't add bulk. And then I have put together some more pages. And so I have a doily and this page. This is from Colorful Daisies. It's a side-by-side, and then I added one of the pages from the Easter egg dyed paper. And so I have one for this one and one for each of the others. Then I do have, in case we need them, a couple more pages from the composition book. I have added these yellow daisy pages. This one I flipped up, made a pocket. This one I just folded it. And I did this so that so if you fold this one this way, and then you fold your other one backwards so that the daisies are this way, what's going to happen is when this is in the signature, this one's going to show up towards the front. This one's going to show up closer to the back where they're on the right side. Okay, and then your left side, they'll be on opposite sides. Okay, so just wanted to show you that. So one of each of those for it. Then I have added this set of papers. Okay, it's a weekly calendar, and I loved it because it had all the colors. And I had picked that up at Dollar Tree. I wasn't sure if I was going to use it. I think I'm going to replace that one. I'm going to put it on the top to replace it. We'll put that one there. Okay, then I have this page. Okay, and my printer is no longer speaking to the computer, so I didn't print anything on the back. I have wrapping paper that I had picked up quite a while ago, and so I have two different sizes. So the large size and the smaller size. Then I have another side-by-side page of the daisies with the pink background from the Easter egg dyed paper. Another side-by-side. This one has daisy with these labels where you can write things or post, put pictures or something. And then on the back we have this page from the Easter egg dyed paper. Okay, and then I did go ahead and I picked out another cardstock piece, and I'm probably going to want to do something to the inside of this, but I have that. And I found the Thomas guide, so my one paper from Map, Calendar, or the other thing is going to be a map, and it's the map from the Thomas guide. I thought the colors were perfect, and so that is why I picked that one. We're going to go ahead and put these pages up with the other two. We're going to work on one book, and then I'll be able to go ahead and do the other two books. Whoa. I'm going to have to do something with all these fun number 8 things. Okay, so the other thing that we have not used yet is the master board. So I just want you to know that I did realize that we had not used it yet. I'm actually thinking, I thought I was going to use it on the inside cover, but I think it'll be, I need to sew it. I want to sew it. But then I think it'll be our, yeah, maybe not. Maybe we'll use the the cardstock pages as our signature covers. So let's go ahead, get a count. And while I'm counting, I'm going to be putting them in the type of paper, okay? So map is specialty, this is cardstock, this is the digital, okay? Specialty, specialty, digital. I'm gonna say, you know what, specialty. And then the regular papers and the lined papers will go here. Okay, I actually am gonna have to count these after because I didn't count. Okie dokie. I'm gonna put these. Okay, that's a digital, loosely. Okay, specialty, digital. This one has things all already put together, but we'll put it there. So I guess we're counting this as a specialty paper. Okay, so let's go ahead and we'll go ahead and count how many pages I have. Okay, so we have 1, 2, not counting the doily, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Not counting the noisy paper there. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 pages. Okay, so there is a possibility that we'll take some out. That does happen. But there's 28 pages. That would give us 112 pages in the journal. Okay, so let's go ahead and separate these out. So we have digital, 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 digital. Okay, so digitals. And then we'll go with lined papers or writing papers. Then we have our cardstock. Then we have our specialty papers. Okay, so I'm going to put these down here like this. I'm going to put these up here and like this, and then this here. Okay, so we have, I think these are going to be our actual, our signature covers. They don't have to be though. You know what? I don't think, yeah, they're not going to be our signature covers. But we're going to go ahead and play a little bit here. We're going to go ahead. Okay. Okay, so I'm just starting to put them together, and I'm looking at what I see. Like when I put something in, what is the next thing that I see there? I know that I want this to go onto something that like that so that you can actually see the that look there. Okay, and I think I want this like that. Okay. I stole the... Okay. So the other thing is I like to have ledger paper towards the front of a journal. So, and we already added these pages together. I like them together like this. I think we'll go ahead and put this as a set. Okay. Add a map. Okay, so we have, well, noisy paper. We have a specialty paper. We have lined paper. We have cardstock. We have a specialty paper. And then what if we go with a lined paper and maybe okay. Yeah, I like that. Okay. Okay, so how many do we have in here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. There we go. That's 8. I like that. Okay, so now this one. I like this. You know what we didn't add over there? We didn't add any no digitals on this one. Okay. Okay, what if we go something like that and then that, then some lined, decorative lined paper, specialty paper. What do we have? We have that. Okay, that needs to go closer to the front, because otherwise it's going to creep out the edge. You know what? Let's go with this on top of this. Can you see that? Yeah. Okay, I like that. I actually think I might like that as the front. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's go ahead and skip to this one. Okay, I like this side there. This. Okay. What if we turn this around this way, like that? because I like that stair step. If I cut just a little bit off of this, this can go inside here. I like that. Okay, so we're gonna cut just a little, just a smidge. And you see, we do all the work here, and then we can just copy for the other two. Okay, so what do we have? We have this. We have pink. Ooh, I like that. Okay, I like the idea of this one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We already have pink in here. These three we already have in here. We're gonna have to go steal something from somewhere else. Okay. Okay, switch out aligned for the Miss Daisy paper. And we're going to switch this over, put it in here like that. Okay, so we've got this, then this. Did we already put, we'll put these in here. I may have to decorate the other set, but I didn't want to decorate the other set of lined paper if I wasn't going to use it. So, got little with a pocket. We've got this. We have a couple of lined pages. What do we have here? Ooh, what if we take this, turn it this way? Okay, turn it this way, and that can be, those two pages can be glued together, and you have a large pocket. Okay. That, let's see. Kind of like that. Okay, I like that. Okay, so 1, 2, these are going to get put together. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No, 9. We have that in the, oh well, 9. I have an idea though. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those could get glued together. There's only 5 in here. This one has a bunch though, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and we end up there. Let's do that. So that's 7 with a doily and a noisy paper. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's do this. I don't like it in the middle. I like that in the middle though. Okay. Okay, I think we'll be good without that. Okay, that's our cover. This one will go in the middle. Okay, so this is my journal so far. Okay, let's give a look. Ooh, there's a place that we can put together. Lined paper. And there's our ledger. I usually like the ledger to be closer to the front. So okay, let's see what we got here. This, 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 this. Just right in the middle. Okay, try this again. Oh, 1, 2. I like that. 3. Like that. Glue those two together. And writing pages in the middle. I like that. Okay, these two get glued together. This will either have a border place or a flip out, depending on what we've got, what we can add in there. Okay, this flips out. There's that. We have a little pocket here, and I love it. Okay, so that's our first signature. Second signature starts with the doily, side by side. Love that. Noisy paper. I think we can move the noisy paper. But I really like this look. Remember, the noisy paper was just on here so that we didn't lose it. I think we'll noisy paper over the top of the map. Okay, and this one we have a pocket on the inside with those on the outside. I love this. I'm loving it. Oh, look at that with that. Okay, there's that one. And then the next signature is going to have this. This will flip over and you'll have that inside there. I like that. Okay, then you have that. Here we have, I have things though that can fix things. And I still have my stamps and my stencils. Okay, those are going to get glued together. And those will probably get glued together. Now the thing that we can do here is we can go ahead and pull this down possibly and glue it like this and have that be a big pocket there, because we have some pretty big things that need pockets. Yeah, I like this. A little lace edge, yellow lace edge. Yeah, because we have a lot a lot of things to go in here. Okay, so that'll be the back. Okay, I love it. So now I need to decide. I think I do want to put my double tuck in the journal and have it sewn in. So I need to pull double tucks out, add those to the piles of pages. If I do another one. Okay, so this is the double tuck element that we made. I'm going to add that to the pages, and it is going to go on. Oh, I really like these. It's going to go on this one. Okay, so it's going to go like this, like that. Okay, so it'll be on there. Oh, I love it. Love the way it's going to be sitting in there. Okay. Okay, so this is what my printer was printing when it died, so I need to get that reprinted. But with that, I have my signatures are all assembly line ready to be put in the journals. Okay, so yeah, so I think that is a great way of getting journals put together and having 3 really quick. So those are ready, and I just need to get my printer to talk to my computer so that we can add that. So I'm going to go ahead and I'll go put these in so you can get an idea of where we are. Okay, so this is what we've got. Okay, that's what we've got. Well, we are all bound, and no absolute catastrophes or anything. The Patreons are getting to have a look at that, and I'll show you real quick what we look like here. I already went through and what I call break the pages. I already went through and broke the pages, which is where I go through and do this on each separation of pages, and it just makes it so that the pages open and flow easier. I love the way this is looking. I think the such a variety of papers and things going on, and oh my gosh, I can't wait to add the embellishments. So that will be the next video. I will be adding embellishments, and so watch for that. Then I'll be putting together the other 2 journals so that I have 3 journals finished. And yeah, so do you have a favorite page or a favorite idea that you've seen so far as the pages? I would really love to know that. Please put it in the comments, and put my favorite page is, hint hint, my favorite page is. Put that in the comments after the video is over, and don't forget to go watch one of these videos, because YouTube really likes that and it really does help my channel. Find something to celebrate every day. Have an amazing day. and I'll see you tomorrow. We just got a couple more pages here. Look at that. Look at those beautiful, colorful daisies. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Don't forget to go watch the video, the Spectrum Arts Creations haul video that I put up at 4:30 today. Have a great day. Bye. Bye-bye.